Today, class, we're going to talk about compound words. We're going to learn what is a compound word and what is not a compound word. Let's take a closer look. A compound word is two smaller words put together to create a larger word. For example, cow plus boy equals the word cowboy. Cowboy is a compound word. Compound words are all around us. What are some of your daily routines? I bet this morning, before you left for school, you brushed your teeth. To do this, you used a toothbrush. A toothbrush is a compound word. But when you used your toothbrush, you would also need toothpaste. Toothpaste is a compound word. Maybe after brushing your teeth, you would wipe your mouth off with a washcloth. Washcloth is also a compound word. Wow, during your morning routine, you use three compound words: toothbrush, toothpaste, and washcloth. Compound words can be tricky. Compound words have their own special meaning separate from each other. For example, a dog is a word to describe an animal, while a house is a word used to describe a place to live. When placed together, you get the compound word doghouse. Doghouse is a place where a dog lives. Be aware of words that are not compound words. For instance, the word compound is not a compound word. The beginning of the word com is not a word, while pound is a word. In order to be a compound word, both words must be a word in themselves. Here's a list of compound words. Baseball is a compound word because when separated, base and ball are both words all by themselves. Some more compound words are scarecrow, bullfrog, and bathroom. Words that are not compound words are listed to the right. This is words like husband. When taking apart, hus is not a word, while band is a word. Another example is starving. The beginning of the word starts with star. Star is a word, but ing or ving by itself is not. Compound words must be words by themselves before they are put together. Okay, can I have some of you guys help me list some compound words? I started the list for us. I used the word seashell. Brenda, can you give me a word that is a compound word? Oh, sunflower, that is a great word. Thank you. Boys and girls, this is a compound word because when both of the words are separated, they still have their own meaning. Robert, can you also give me a compound word? Seahorse, great. Brandy, can you give me a compound word? Sunny, Sunny. Let's look at this, boys and girls. I know that sun is a word, but I'm not sure about knee. This is tricky. Remember, if you're ever wondering, you can always divide the word in half to make sure that each separate word has its own meaning. And I'm sorry, sweetheart, but sunny is not a compound word. While sun is a word, knee is not a word by itself. Maybe if you did sunshine, would that be a compound word? Great, Brandy, you're right. That is a compound word. Okay, who can give me one last compound word before we move on? Rebecca? Oh, football. Perfect. That is an excellent compound word. Okay, I think you guys are getting the hang of it. So I think that means we should play a game. Okay, guys, here we have a matching game. Let's see what we can do with this game. Alright. Who can tell me where to match star to? Rosie, do you know? Star flower? Is that a word? No, I don't think so either. Where should I match star to? Fish. Wonderful. Starfish. Okay, guys. What about butter? Who can tell me about butter? Cassandra, where do you think butter belongs to? Butter. Butter plane? No, you got it correct. Butterfly. You guys are too smart. Okay, hair. Who can tell me where hair goes? Donna? Hairbrush. Wonderful. You got it. Alright, what about you? Trevor, can you tell me what belongs with sun? Maybe a sunfish? No, sunflower. You got it. Perfect. Okay, Starla, what does lady belong to? Ladybug. You guys are getting compound words. Okay, Jamal, where does air go to? Airplane. Wonderful. And our last one, Sarah. Mailman. Wonderful. You guys are getting it. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at this game and see what we can find. Here's our review. We're going to break up some vocabulary words. Alright, here it goes. Break up compound words. Alrighty. Let's play. Okay, our first word is campfire. Can anybody tell me where I need to move the divider bar to? What were you saying, Sarah? In between camp and fire? Let's check it. See if it's right. Wonderful, you got it right. Okay, we're going to do one more. Grandmother. Jamal, where do I need to move the bar? Before mother? Okay. Let's check it again. Perfect. Okay, Rosie, will you come up and do one for us? Where do you need to move it before dishwasher? Alright, give it a check. Up. That's not right. You did put it after wash, which is a word, but look at ER. Is that a word? No. Let's see where you can move it. Oh, you got it. Perfect. Alright, I think you guys have got the hang of this. Perfect.